Back here at St. John Arena in Columbus, Ohio for the EAS Sports Nutrition NWCA Division I National Duals, presented by Hibiclens, the United States Marine Corps. Big one coming up here, a matchup of a couple of All-Americans. It's two-time All-American Scott Sakaguchi for Oregon State, coming in ranked 8th in the nation, 24-8 this season, taking on Zach Neibert of Virginia Tech. Just 13-6, 8th place a year ago. At 141 pounds, moving up. A couple wrestlers from some high school powerhouse programs. Neibert from Graham High School, St. Paris, Ohio. He's originally from Dayton, while Sakaguchi from Clovis. That's in California. Super powerhouse program down there. Neibert originally started his career at Northern Illinois and redshirted and transferred to Virginia Tech. Qualified each of the last 2 seasons. I'll hit the podium last year, beating Franklin and Marshall's Richard Durso in the round of 12 to get through. Virginia Tech up 12-0 after winning the first 3 bouts. Fall by Joey Dance and decisions by Dennis Gustafson and Eric Spute give us the current count. Scoreless here in the first minute. Sakaguchi in the black and the orange for the Beavers of Oregon State. Coming into this duel 9-6, ranked 25th in the country as a team. Single leg and doubling off as Sakaguchi tries to swim the arm through. Hanging around the waist is Neibert. Still jostling for position. Neibert looked to funk it through. It looks like he could have Sakaguchi in trouble here. Referee looking to make sure there is control somewhere. Neibert grabs the chin. He likes what he's got here, and he could have Sakaguchi in trouble. And now they finally award the 2, and here comes the near fall. Neibert trying to settle in and get the fall here early. Sakaguchi trying to fight it off. Neibert's got to clear his leg. Sakaguchi trying to keep his hips turned the other way. Neibert still fighting to clear his legs and does so. Now he looks like he's trying to settle in. Sakaguchi still fighting legs down there. Neibert steps over. Sakaguchi trying to roll through the other way. Big bridge by Sakaguchi. Oh, it's close. Can he hang on? Short time left in the period. Neibert trying to finish off Sakaguchi. And Sakaguchi will escape the period. Down 5-0, riding time in favor of Neibert. And that could have been disastrous for the Beavers. That funk situation. Neibert threw the legs in. Got into a situation and kept moving and improving. And now Sakaguchi going to reverse favor, pick up the 2-point reversal. It's now 5-2 lead for Zach Neibert. Oregon State assisted by Troy Steiner, Kevin Roberts, and Travis Pasco. Sakaguchi trying to work on top, that riding time dwindling down. He's got the arm trapped. And Sakaguchi now in trouble as Neibert's going to get the reversal and extend his lead now to 7-2. Minute to go here in the second. And we'll get a fresh start, 57 seconds remaining in period number 2 with Zach Neibert. A 7-2 lead over Scott Sakaguchi in a battle of All-Americans here at 149. Sakaguchi up to his feet and quickly out, so now 7-3. Sakaguchi in deep, and then Neibert creating a funk roll situation. Rolls it through. Neibert incredibly tough to score on just because of that reason. He creates his offense from your offense, and now not quite the same position, but Neibert in a similar situation where he wants to take Sakaguchi over. Now still trying to fight for control. Remember, we're still neutral here. Under 10 to go here in the second. And that will end the period. No points. So a 7-2 lead for Zach Neibert. On paper, this is a match Oregon State thought they had probably in the bag, even though Neibert a tough foe, and Sakaguchi just going to let Neibert up for one escape. Actually, not an escape yet. Referee still saying Sakaguchi's in control. And now there's the one escape as he breaks the front headlock. So now 8-3 lead for Neibert. Sakaguchi trying to go with the underhook rather. Collar tie now back to the front head. Sakaguchi pushing the pace here with under a minute to go. Trailing by 5, half shot by Neibert. Front headlock. Sakaguchi trying to go behind, grabs the near ankle. Neibert forward rolls through, and he's going to come out of this position looking for the takedown. 2 continuing the scramble. And now there's 2 more for Neibert. Another situation where Sakaguchi initiates offense and finds himself giving up points. And we have potentially dangerous here with 22 seconds to go. So they go 2-2 on that sequence. Scoreboard says now 8-5, now 8-6 after the escape. Must have gone 2 on Sakaguchi and then 2 for Neibert. No, they've got it corrected. Either way, it'll end up being a slight upset there. Victory for Virginia Tech. Zach Neibert. Now 15-0, Hokies lead after 4.